Pump and reel. Hold your rod up. Hold your rod up. Hold your rod up and reel.
Got him?
Yeah, he's a good one. Keep reeling. I'll get him. Hold your rod up so he don't get in the rocks.
I knew we got that on the way.
Caught a big old bass. About a 3-pounder. Yep. Keep your rod up.
I want to touch him.
Hang on. All right, stop. What is that? What was the last one we caught? No, bass. Say largemouth. All right, let him go. Say bye, buddy.
Bye, buddy.
Thumbs up. Knuckles. All right, reel him up. Pick him up. Now hand him to me. Say, what? Has he big?
Wait, has he big?
Is it big old brim?
Yep. Has a big old brim?
You gonna give him a kiss? Give him a kiss. Give him a kiss. Oh, you so sweet. What you got?
Wants to go back home.
All right, hold up. I'll get it. All right, stop. Now hold, pick him up, hand him to me. Hand him to me. Look at me. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Can I throw him back in the water?
Yep, throw him back in the water. Oh, he's bigger than you thought he was. Oh no, did he come off or did you push the button again? Like I told you, hold it like I told you. There you go. All right, stop. That fun?
Yes, sir.
Don't kick my rod in the water and let him go. Don't throw him, just let him go. Just drop him off the side. There you go. That fun?
Yeah.
High five. Just like I showed you. This kid has been throwing a Zebco for 3 months. And the line twist gets bad and he can't fish because I have to take the bait off and troll off the line. So he said, you know what, Daddy? I'm gonna throw a spinning rod. Guess what? Now he's throwing a spinning rod in a process of 45 minutes. saying hey about Phil. Look at me. Is that fun?
Yeah.
You let him go?
Yes, sir.
All right, let him go.
I said yes, sir.
You gotta let him go.
I'll talk to me.
Knuckles. All right.
I don't want to eat the apple.
All right. You want fish?